Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 4K camcorders. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get start with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Canon Vixia 57x, 32.5 to 1853 mm, advanced zoom, 32x optical, 1140x digital. Canon 3.28 megapixel Full HD CMOS image sensor. Digic DV4 image processor. Minimum focusing distance all other modes, 10 mm. However, approximate 50 cm at tele macro setting established at this time. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. ActiTop 4K 4K UHD camcorder. Wi-Fi camcorder. High quality sound recording. Powerful battery life. 1-year warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Kicktech Ultra HD 4K video camera, 3.0-inch capacitive touchscreen available. Wi-Fi connection function, enable remote view, image capture. Camera with external microphone and wide-angle lens. Camera camcorder features. Lightweight and small camera, easy to carry and store. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Panasonic Full HD. Long 20x zoom draws in the scene from far away. Exclusive high dynamic range feature suppresses blown highlights. Wirelessly connect your smartphone's video camera. The Panasonic Image app lets you use a smartphone. Wi-Fi functions also enable real-time broadcasting. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Sony 4K FDRAX 33. Capture 4K, 24p, 30 pixel video that far exceeds HD resolution. Zeiss Lens W, balanced optical steady shot image stabilization. Direct pixel readout for smooth edges and color gradation. Manual control ring, iris, shutter, exposure, white balance. Versatile shooting W, ZAVC STM3, UFCH and MP4 codecs. Please check the description for details and best price.